In Money Watch this morning, the pandemic caused shortages for everything from appliances to toilet paper. While supplies have returned closer to normal for most products, one item remains elusive. Femi Redwood reports.
Construction company owner Ray Perkins has plenty of business, but rising lumber prices keep cutting into his bottom line.
Normally they're $3.49 a 2x4. Now they're like $6.49, $6.50.
Hardwood, lumber, 2x4s.
Interior designer Heather Kirk says that's boosting her clients' project costs.
We've gotten examples of anywhere from double to 3 times what those materials were costing previously.
The high prices are from a global lumber shortage and a huge boost in home improvement projects when the pandemic forced people to stay home. And the high demand continues to build into 2021 with the ramping up of major construction. The National Association of Home Builders says wood costs are adding $24,000 to the price of a new home.
There's not a lot of industries that can absorb a 70%, 60-70% increase in its demand without having supply issues.
Steve Sala is president of lumber buying cooperative LBM Advantage. He believes building will slow down a little in the coming months, and Americans will shift spending from home improvements to travel and entertainment as infections drop.
I think prices will ease a little bit in the summer. The average lumber historically has been between $300 and $400 per thousand board feet. Right now it's over $1,000. I see it in the $700, $800 range by summer.
But he doesn't think lumber costs will return to normal levels until the middle of next year. Femi Redwood, CBS News, New York.
Venmo users can now buy cryptocurrencies. The mobile payment app owned by PayPal is rolling out a new feature that allows users to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin and 3 other digital coins. Venmo will also make available in-app guides and videos to help people learn more about crypto. 8 billion sauce packets from Taco Bell are used every year, and they may soon get a second life away from the garbage. Fast food chain is partnering with TerraCycle, a company that collects non-recyclable materials, melts them down, and remolds them into hard plastics that can be used as something new. Not much else is known, but Taco Bell promised participation in the recycling program will be easy. Apple wants to help you find your keys. Hey. Tech giant launched a tile-like item tracker called Airtag. It works with Apple's software and services and lets you track items within Apple's Find My app on iOS. You'll also be provided with notifications when you're separated from your item. Apple says the tracker should last for a year of battery life, and it will be available for $29 on April 30th. That's it for Money Watch. Let's toss it over to Michael for our weather.
I'm going to steal this idea from Diana King Hall. She said you could put that in your car when you go to the mall, and that way when you walk out, you forget where you park.
That is an excellent idea.
Where did I park?
Now they need to make that for Android too.
Yeah, like I said, that was Diana King Hall's idea, not mine. Weather Almanac for this April 21st. We've already broken a record low, got down to 29 degrees. That ties the record not only from 1966, but also 1978. And late last night, about a quarter till midnight, we actually broke the record for April 20th, got down to 29 once again. Starting to see a little sunlight outside of Television City. Should really make for a gorgeous morning, albeit a frigid one. 34 degrees with a wind chill right now of 27 in Joplin, 31 in Pittsburgh, 29 in Anderson, and only 28 in Neodesha. A little light cloud cover is filtered in there from the north. It'll push off. Freeze warnings lasting all the way until 9 a.m. and wind chills dipping as low as 22 in Mount Vernon, 24 in Independence. Skywatch Storm Tracker, at least the trough of the jet stream is beginning to push off to the northeast right there. That'll allow a little bit of this southwestern warmth here in the next coming days to help us out. As we're getting closer and closer, we were down to about -6 or 7 there earlier as far as our 24-hour temperature change. 50s around the noon hour, top out in the mid-50s. Future track's going to stay dry. Thursday morning, we see development out to the far west. Won't be on us until the afternoon hours and really doesn't pick up until Thursday night. As it does, though, Thursday night into Friday, we see a little intensification, not looking at anything severe, and positive side of the mercury, 60s by the time we get to the weekend. Back with a Wildcat Wednesday right after this.
We're excited for the opportunity to be contrarian and different from the rest of the auto industry.
We've done something with our salespeople and cultivated an atmosphere. Customers enjoy the buying process.
And that's what we have here at the Superstore, is an actual team.
It's a team that I couldn't be more thankful enough to be a part of.
I like to advertise things that are 100% real 100% of the time. So this month, take off at least $5,000 on every Jeep Cherokee during the Jeep Celebration event. Come see us at the Thank You Store.
Hello spring, hello savings! Westco is continuing our big spring event, and time is running out to get great deals and refresh your home with brands you love, like Lazy Boy recliners in 2 colors for just $3.99, and comfy Ashley sofas starting at only $3.48. Kick back this spring with reclining sofas for just $6.99, and get up to 48 months interest-free financing, because we make it easy to buy. The Hello Spring, Hello Savings event continues, but hurry in before these deals are gone. Only at Westco.
Warmer weather is just around the corner, so now is the best time to finish the updates in your kitchen and laundry room. Metro Appliances and More offers the largest selection of appliances with over 60 brands to choose from, whether you're buying appliances for your first home or your dream home. So visit our beautiful showroom or chat with one of our appliance specialists on our website or place your order online. We offer guaranteed low pricing, free local delivery, and 12-month no-interest financing. Metro Appliances and More, the right price on the right product right now.
At Midwest Hearing, we can improve your hearing today. Let us help you with the latest technology available in all price ranges. As Kansas's largest provider, you'll have the best hearing care right in your backyard.
We are Midwest Hearing Aids.
Oh my, with Chase Freedom Unlimited, I earn all this cash back? Oh, I gotta tell everyone. Hey Rita, you can earn 3% on dining, including takeout.
Bon appetit.
Hey Kim, you earn 5% on travel purchase through Chase.
Way ahead of you.
Hey Neil, you can earn 3% at drugstores.
Buddy, I'm right here. Why are you yelling?
Because that's what I do. You're always earning with 5% cash back on travel purchase through Chase. 3% at drugstores, 3% on dining, including takeout, and 1.5% on everything else you buy. Chase, make more of what's yours.
Welcome home with Modern Home Center. I would like to introduce our newest model, the Skyline Model 6300B. This home's built right here in Kansas with northern insulation values and is built to last a lifetime. Modern Home Center in Pittsburgh, Kansas.
Welcome back to the KOM Morning News. It is a Wednesday tradition. We call it a Wildcat Wednesday. And this morning we're fortunate enough to be joined by Francis Graves of the K-State Extension District. Francis is the Director and Community Vitality Agent. Francis, number one, thank you for your time. It's great to see you once again, albeit not in studio, but it's wonderful to see you because I know all the hard work that you put into this online, this virtual auction that actually begins this morning. Now, the thing that I'm always amazed about what you're able to do through the Wildcat District is raise these funds. And if you could explain to people the importance of taking part in this benefit.
Absolutely. Thank you, Michael. So this foundation is sort of our nonprofit arm of the Wildcat Research and Extension District, and funds raised this year will help support all of the different programming areas. So any speakers we bring in for our ag producers, an event we might have for our 4-H and general youth population in our 4 counties, community vitality efforts, and family and nutrition health type of topics. These funds will help support those. It's a local source of granting that our agents can go to ask for assistance to bring in a speaker or pay for registration fees, programming materials for people to take a course and not have to pay out-of-pocket costs, as well as some larger projects hopefully down the line.
And for all of you watching at home right now, let's remember this all eventually trickles down to the youth of our 4 states and how it helps them. It's benefitbidding.com/wildcat. Benefitbidding.com/wildcat. Now, Francis, I know it starts today. We're early in the morning right now. What time are you going to open up bids?
Bids open to 8 o'clock.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
So with that being said, now I'm chomping at the bit, wondering what you have available to bid on, and I'm going to start with a 4-state staple, especially when it comes to Southeast Kansas. A fried chicken tour?
That's right. We have gift certificates to all 6 of the fried chicken restaurants in Crawford County. So that's all bundled together as a tour. And if you don't already have a favorite, it's a great way to do some important research.
It's amazing how many vendors and businesses have come together to help the Wildcat District here. And, you know, a lot of people don't realize, we've been doing a staycation series here, and you've got tourism experiences that people can also bid on.
That's been my favorite part from a community vitality perspective, for sure. I love getting to promote some of the cool places that we have in our local area. So we've got, the former Army ammunition plant in Parsons has opened up a private tour to see some of the history of that property and the new things with the rail yard going on, as well as a fishing experience on their pristine lake there that they have with Kansas Department of Wildlife and Parks. We've got some of the breweries have opened up in our area to do a tour and learn how to make beer and do some tasting. We have the Independent Zoo, which is a place I love in our district, and that you can get a backstage pass with the zookeeper to see what goes on at that place. So we've got so many places, so many neat things in Southeast Kansas, and people have donated these experiences. These are definitely some of my favorite items.
Frances, thank you so much for your time. Once again, hey, folks, the online auction, it starts in a matter of hours, if not minutes, depending where you are. All right, we're going to open this up. benefitbidding.com/Wildcats. Frances Graves, Director of Community and Vitality Agent for the Wildcat District. Frances, thank you so much for your time, and you have a wonderful morning.
Thank you, Michael.
All right, we'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.